To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. In today's digitized world, it can be difficult to make friends because of one's lack of social skills. There are different reasons or factors why this happens. Society is making us more isolated than we were before. We have busy lifestyles, or we no longer desire to meet people the way we did in college or high school. There is an abundance of reasons why making friends can be difficult. Social media. Why it has become difficult making friends, especially today, can be attributed to the commoditization of people. Today, we have so many social apps. Add to the mix instant dating apps, and people begin to get the impression or idea that it's easier to meet people online than socialize. With your mobile device, you can have easy access to anyone at any time, and this creates the illusion of people as a mere commodity. It makes the need to reach out not urgent, and in the end, creates a problem of making friends. You assume everyone else has friends. It becomes difficult making friends when we begin to think that everyone else is already in a closed group of friends. It's been noted that the lonelier a person is, the more they tend to notice extroverted people who have a great time with friends. The mind seems to be blind to all others who are perhaps lonelier. This is, of course, a mental illusion. Besides, while we may be thinking that everyone already has their own group of friends, the friendships can be just superficial. This is because everyone wants more close and loyal friends, so try not to be fooled by appearances. You may fear betrayal from your past. Sometimes, when we get hurt by friends in the past, we may begin to think that friends can be disappointing and friendship is risky. What you fail to see is that these disappointments were actually lessons. Bad friendship experiences can help us filter out people who are bad for us. Fear of rejection. A big drawback when it comes to making friends is fear of rejection. Sometimes we fear of being rejected when we try to offer our friendship, and we just stay put and do nothing. If someone is not ready to meet up with you, hang out, or accept your offer of friendship, don't let it bother you. Just try to let it go. Never let it discourage you from seeking out friends in the future. You don't acknowledge you're lonely. One reason people find it difficult to make new friends is because they cannot acknowledge that they need people or friends. It's good and okay to be independent, but who said independent people don't need friends and aren't lonely sometimes? Learning to make friends can seem difficult, but if you learn how, you'll never be obligated to be with people or anyone who doesn't deserve you. Why is it difficult to make friends? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.